Within Moodle 2 it is possible to track your students' progress as they work through your course. At the top of your course page you'll see a column that says your progress, and by the side of each of the activities within your course you'll see a square box. If a tick appears in the square box, it means that activity has been completed. To set up progress tracking, you need to do a number of things. Firstly, you need to go to the Settings block and edit the course settings. Once in the course settings, you need to scroll down until you find the section called Student Progress. Here I've already enabled completion tracking, but the default is disabled, so you need to swap it over. I've also checked the box to begin completion tracking on enrolment. And once you've done that, you scroll down and save the changes. The second thing you need to do is to turn editing on, go to the activity that you want to put completion tracking on, and select to edit it. Scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find a section called Activity Completion. Completion tracking can be done in a number of ways. Each activity can be set up so that either it doesn't have any activity completion associated with it, that the students can mark an activity as completed themselves by just clicking in the little checkbox, or you can show the activity as complete when the student meets certain conditions. Now here, this is the one I've selected. Now I could have it so that it just requires them to view that choice, but I've set it that they must actually make a choice in order to show that that activity is complete. For other activities there will be different options. So for a document you might just want to use the require view. For a quiz you might want to set a particular score to say that they've completed it. And of course you can select for them to complete by a certain date. And once you've set up those conditions, you save and return to the course. Now, if I go into Student View, you can see that I haven't made my choice yet within that poll. So if I select the poll and choose one of the options and save my choice, and I now go back to the course page, you can see that I have got a tick against that. I've completed that activity.